Imagine owning a piece of yachting history, a vessel that whispers tales of a bygone era of glamour and adventure. But what if that history could be yours for less than you might think? The stunning 25.8-meter, 84.6 feet, Benetti motor yacht, Lady L, built in 1976, is now on the market, offering a rare opportunity to acquire a meticulously maintained classic. Listed with Alpkismer of Kemper and Nicholson's, Lady L embodies the timeless elegance that Benetti yachts are renowned for. Her asking price? A cool €1,695,000. This isn't just any yacht, it's a floating testament to 1970s design, instantly recognizable by its signature canoe stern. These distinctive lines are a hallmark of Benetti's golden age, a period where yachts were as much about artistry as they were about engineering. But here's where it gets interesting. While she's a classic, Lady L isn't stuck in the past. Decades of continuous investment have ensured she's in prime condition. She's benefited from significant refits, most notably in 2006/2007, and a comprehensive 9-month overhaul completed in 2021. And this is the part most people miss. The 2021 refit, executed at RMK Marine, wasn't just a cosmetic touch-up. It was a deep dive into the yacht's very core. The hull and superstructure were meticulously restored, metalwork was renewed, systems were upgraded, and both the mechanical and interior elements were revitalized. Think of it as a complete rejuvenation, bringing her up to modern standards while preserving her vintage charm. The interior is a masterpiece of restoration. The original woodwork has been lovingly brought back to its former glory, complemented by new ceilings, fabrics, and carpets. The result? A bright and open feel throughout Lady L's living spaces, a stark contrast to some older yachts that can feel dark and cramped. The clever use of white-paneled ceilings amplifies the sense of space and light. Accommodation is thoughtfully arranged for 8 guests across 4 cabins. The luxurious owner's suite is conveniently located on the main deck, while a VIP cabin graces the aft section. 2 additional cabins, one double and one twin, are situated on the lower deck, providing versatile options for family or friends. And of course, there's dedicated crew accommodation for 5, ensuring seamless service and hospitality. Stepping outside, you'll find expansive deck spaces that are perfect for alfresco dining and socializing. Sunpads are strategically placed forward, offering the ultimate spot for soaking up the sun and enjoying panoramic views. Imagine hosting unforgettable gatherings or simply relaxing in style on your own private yacht. This 108 GT yacht is powered by reliable Cummins engines and Onan generators, which were installed during the 2006 upgrade project. She cruises comfortably at 10 knots, with a range of 3,000 nautical miles, opening up a world of possibilities for exploring distant shores. Located in Turkey, Lady L awaits her new owner, ready to embark on new adventures. But here's a thought. Could this yacht be more than just a beautiful classic? Could it be a shrewd investment? As classic yachts gain popularity, their value can appreciate significantly. Now, it's your turn. What do you think of Lady L's blend of classic design and modern upgrades? Is the asking price a fair reflection of her condition and history? Would you prefer a completely modern yacht, or does the charm of a classic like Lady L hold more appeal? Share your thoughts in the comments below.